Okay, got it.
Okay, so percent composition is that we can determine how much of each element is present by mass for any compound. So for example, we have H2O, water, which equals 18 grams per mole. Now for hydrogen, we have 1 gram per mole times 2 because there's 2 present. And for oxygen, we have 16 grams per mole times 1 because there's only 1 oxygen. So for the percent composition, basically it is a part over whole. So basically we have to do 2 over 18 because there's only 2 hydrogens in H2O over 18, how much the compound weighs, times 100 equals 11% of hydrogen in water. So for oxygen we'll do the same thing, 16 over 18 times 100 equals 89% of oxygen in water. So basically what it is percent mass equals mass of that element in the compound, which would be like hydrogen, over the total mass of the compound, which is how much it all equals in grams per mole. So basically the fraction is multiplied by 100 and it is converted into a percentage, which is percent composition. So, and remember that the idea of the percentage in general simply represents a fraction or a part of a whole. So for example, we have a sample of a compound is made up of 13 grams of nitrogen and 37 grams of oxygen. What is the percent composition of the substance? So what we have to do is the same thing for what we did up here for the H2O, is we have to figure out how much the substance weighs grams per moles. So we have 13 plus 37, which will give us 50 grams per mole, which that will be our whole, because remember, part over whole. So we have our whole, now we have nitrogen, which equals 13 grams, and we have oxygen, which equals 37 grams per mole. So we'll do that over 50 times 100, and oxygen over 50 times 100, which for nitrogen will give us 26% of nitrogen